What if I told you that procrastination isn't just making you late? It's quietly stealing your dreams. From missed deadlines to unrealized businesses to decades of regret. It's the reason many people never live up to their potential. Today, I'll show you exactly how to stop it, starting now. Hey, I'm Dr. Allen, with 30 years studying psychology and human behavior. If you've ever asked yourself, why do I keep putting things off, even things I care about? You're not lazy, you're trapped in a psychological loop. We procrastinate because our brains are wired to protect us from pain, fear, and uncertainty. But here's the trap. The longer we avoid discomfort, the bigger it grows in our mind. You're a college student. It's midnight. That 15-page research paper is still untouched. You tell yourself, I'll start after this YouTube video. But that tiny delay becomes a week of stress and an all-nighter that drains your health and your GPA. You dream of launching your business. You even bought the domain, but you tell yourself it's not perfect yet. 6 months later, someone else launched your idea. You didn't fail, you just never started. There are 4 psychological types of procrastinators. 1. Perfectionist. You fear mistakes more than failure. 1. Avoider. You fear judgment, so you delay even trying. 1. Decisional. You can't pick, so you freeze. 1. Arousal junkie. You tell yourself you work better under pressure. You don't. You panic better. If you feel stuck, overwhelmed, guilty, or you always say, I'll do it later, you're not alone. But every time you delay, you strengthen the habit loop. As James Clear says in Atomic Habits, every action is a vote for the person you want to become. What are you voting for? You're a mid-level employee, talented, smart, but you keep postponing that certification or side project. 2 years go by. A younger hire gets promoted. You're passed over, not because they're better, but because they finished, and you didn't. You're in your 40s or 50s. Maybe you've said, it's too late now. But think about it. How many people are sitting with regrets, not because they failed, but because they never started? The clock doesn't stop. If you're breathing, it's not too late. Procrastination doesn't just kill time. It murders dreams, one delayed action at a time. Here are 5 proven solutions, straight from the world's best psychological research and top productivity minds. Instead of write a book, tell yourself, open Google Docs and write 1 sentence. You've started, and starting is the hardest part. David Allen's method shows, vague tasks create anxiety. Instead of study biology, write, read chapter 3, page 4150. Clarity fuels action. Try a Pomodoro, 25 focus minutes, then break. No judgment, just rhythm. Say you're scared to call a client. Instead of freezing, ask, what might I learn from this call? Curiosity disarms fear. Tell yourself, I am someone who shows up. I am a finisher. Your brain starts to believe it, because identity follows behavior. Change doesn't require perfection, just direction. There's no more time to waste. You don't know how many Mondays you have left. Procrastination doesn't just delay your goals, it buries them. You were made for more. It's time to stop waiting and start living. If this video opened your eyes, please subscribe, like, and share with a friend stuck in the same loop. Let's build momentum together.